Hey guys, it's Cassie coming at you with another video, and I have a big surprise for you guys. I am filming in a brand new location right now because I have some really big news. And I'm filming vlog style on my DSLR, so excuse me if the angle's kind of tight because, like, you know, it's a DSLR, it's not meant for vlogging, so just excuse that. But I am so psyched to tell you that I moved. I'm in a brand new place. I'm in my very first apartment and it is dope. It is so cool. I'm just so excited right now. So for today's video, I'm going to be taking you along with me for an empty apartment tour. And you're gonna get to see the whole place while it's empty before it's furnished, because it's gonna take a minute for it to get furnished. So I figured I'd just show you everything right now. And excuse the lighting if it keeps changing, the sun keeps going in and out behind a cloud. Yeah, but if you like the video, please subscribe and like and comment, tell me what you think, and yeah. Here we go. Our very first empty apartment tour style. Alright, so obviously when you first come in there's a door, and I'm looking at it right now because I don't want to like enter the apartment from the outside because the lighting's really bad and it's really kind of awkward. I don't want to disturb my neighbors or anything like that. So we're just going to start from here and we're going to look up. So what you first see when you first come in is this really big closet, and let me get a better view of it for you guys. This thing is where they have the hot water heater, and it's like, I don't know if you want to call it a coat closet or a linen closet or what you want to call it, but it's pretty big. Like, that's one half of it, and then it goes over here, and then the hot water heater's right there. So yeah, that's that. And then from there you turn to your right, and the first thing that really catches your eye is the ginormous ceilings that lead up to the loft. And yes, my apartment has a loft. That will be my YouTube office, and that will be where all of my editing and planning videos and crap like that goes. So from there, you walk in, and this is the living room. Here's the spiral staircase heading right up to the loft. Cute, cute, cute. And the living room has a deck. And if you go out here, let me just try and open this thing. I actually don't know how to open this, so. Ugh. Okay, so we'll save going outside for another time because I cannot figure out how to open that. But it's this really pretty deck, and I'm gonna have so much fun like drinking coffee or tea out there. And it's fully taken by trees and stuff, so in the summertime there'll be like no weird neighbors staring at you while you're out on your deck or anything like that, so that's pretty cool. And then from the deck you turn to the left, there's another window, oh, focus, and then here's the rest of the living room. And what's really cool about this living room is that it has a little cutout so you can see into the kitchen. Isn't that pretty cool? I thought that was great. So coming in here is the kitchen, and the kitchen has a window because we have an end unit, so a lot of the other ones don't have that. And yeah, you get your sink, your fridge, your microwave, your stove, really cute cabinets that they just redid. You know, life is good. And unfortunately this window looks out over the highway, but again, the trees will blossom and then I won't have to worry about that. Alright, from here I'm going to show you the bedroom, and this is it. This is a beautiful bedroom. It comes with an air conditioner, obviously the heating unit's down there. This beautiful big window, It's got a door right here that leads out to a little balcony. That's pretty cool. And then it's got another window, which I thought was so cool, in this little niche right here. It's pretty cool. I like it. I think that might be a filming spot in the future. But it's cute. It adds extra light. We're good. And then over here, past the door to get into the bedroom, you have the closet door. And in here, you'll find the walk-in closet. Pretty darn big. If I get in here, goes back pretty far, and I could literally like hide in here and like spend, I don't know, a lot of time just doing nothing. But yeah, all right, that's our walk-in closet. Close that. And then back out here, I will show you the loft now. All right, we're gonna go up these stairs, safety first, guys. Okay, and this is the loft. It's a cute little office space with a big window. Perfect for grabbing lighting. And it also has this really big closet, which is, it's pretty, let's say it's like walk-in. Pretty decent sized closet. Could probably hide in here too. Yeah, my back's against the wall right now. I'd say that's a lot of space. So that's awesome. More storage and everything like that. All right. Now, this is the view that you get from the loft. Pretty dope. I friggin' love it. And then heading down the stairs. And then back to the living room. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I didn't even show you guys the bathroom. That would be this door right here. It's a little skinny door. You just open that. You turn that on, and you got your shower. You got a medicine cabinet. Don't mind the vent, it's making noise. I don't know how to turn it off. You got your mirror with really big light bulbs, which is great. The lighting in here is pretty darn good, I will have to say. I was going to switch out all the light bulbs because I don't normally like when lighting is like on the yellow side, but this, I'm not mad at. I have to say, I'm not mad at this. So I'm just wearing sweats. I got my sweatshirt. I've got my jeggings on. These are from Walmart. Pretty cute, pretty comfy. I've got my bag, and I'm just getting ready to move in, you know? I did actually just self-tan for the first time, and I'm really liking this. I'm not really wearing any foundation or anything because I actually don't have any foundation that matches this, which is always great. But yeah, this is my new apartment, and I'm freaking excited. All right, let's go over here to end the video because I do not want to do it while that vent is on. All right, guys, so that was my empty apartment tour. I hope you guys liked it. I am so stoked, because one of the biggest reasons that I haven't been able to upload a lot is because I have not had the space. I have not had resources, I will say, because, you know, when you have a big family and you live in the house together, it's not gonna be clean all the time, and you don't wanna film when it's not clean, you know? It's just hard to keep things clean and film and make it look good. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. So, long story short, I'm going to be posting a lot more often because I have the space, I have the aesthetic. All right, the sun left us for like 5 seconds. So I am going to go now. I have to move in, I have to unpack, I have to, you know, make this place home. and expect a lot more videos because they are coming. I have a whole bunch planned, and I work hard to make this channel something that you guys will enjoy coming back to. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support, and thank you for those who have stuck with me even though I haven't posted in like 6 months at a time. So it means a lot to me. Alright, I will see you guys in my next video, and I'm gonna go unpack now, so bye.